Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Alpha Omega long gun in Remnant 2. This powerful weapon requires you to navigate the challenging labyrinth and defeat a specific boss. We will cover each step, from finding the necessary materials to crafting the weapon at the World Stone. Get ready to enhance your arsenal with one of the game's most sought-after firearms. Let's dive into the details and secure your Alpha Omega. Your journey begins in the labyrinth, a unique and often confusing biome. You'll need to explore thoroughly until you encounter the Bastion, a formidable boss. This fight requires precise dodging and strategic attacks to overcome. Once defeated, the Bastion will drop the crucial corrupted shard, a key component for crafting. Ensure you pick it up before leaving the area, as it is essential for the next stage of your quest. With the corrupted shard in hand, return to Ward 13 and speak with McCabe, the resident crafter. She will be able to transform your shard into the Alpha Omega. Besides the shard, you'll need 7 luminite crystals and 1,500 scrap. These materials are commonly found throughout your adventures. Once you provide all the components, McCabe will craft your new weapon, ready for action. The Alpha Omega is a versatile weapon, particularly effective at medium to long ranges due to its unique mod. Experiment with its alternate fire mode for different combat scenarios. Consider pairing it with an Archon or Hunter archetype for maximum damage output, especially against elite enemies and bosses. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This weapon will significantly boost your combat effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.